What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape, snipe, snipe, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Snape,
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Snape,
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Hermione,
Snape,
Hermione,
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore,
Harry Potter, Harry Potter,
Severus,
Harry Potter,
yeah,
Harry Potter, Harry Potter,
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, that's me,
Snape,
Harry,
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 Snape,
Harry, Dumbledore, Hermione,
Snape,
Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, Harry Potter,
singing our song all day long at
Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
I wear a mean dark pair of shades.
Tengo una gafas bien oscura, what he said.
You can't see my eyes.
Y no se me ven los ojos.
Boricua,
morena, dominicana, toda la coqueta. Boricua, morena, dominicana, toda la coqueta. Lady,
We stay fly, no lie, and you know this. Hips and thighs, oh my, stay focused.
R.I.P. to my Bobby Monday. I'm in the streets up in Rio Grande. I'm looking pretty in my Bajo Ponte. Can't move back home cause the feds on me. She know it's all about the pesos, con queso, if not